Exercise 1.2 problems. In second question, check injectivity and subjectivity of the following functions. Second one, f z to z1 by f of x equal to x square. Here the function z to z, f of x is equal to x square. First one, 1 function. 1 function, or 1 function is called as injective function. Injective function. Let z means you have to take 1, f of 1, f of x is equal to x square is there here. F of 1 is equal to 1 square, that is value 1. F of minus 1 minus 1 square, its value is also 1. Therefore, f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1. But value of these two, f of 1 and f of minus 1 are 1. But 1 is not equal to minus 1. This implies f of x1 is equal to f of x2. But x1 is not equal to x2. Therefore, f is not injective. F is not injective function. Second one, onto function or surjective function. Onto function or surjective function. Here let y belongs to z. There exists at least one preimage such that f of x is equal to y. F of x is equal to y. Here f of x is equal to x square is equal to y. Therefore, x is equal to root y plus or minus root y. So, if we have taken the negative values, x is equal to plus or minus root of minus 1, that is not belongs to the real number or not belongs to the z. Therefore, f is not onto. Therefore, f is neither injective nor surjective function. Next problem number 3, f from r to r given by f of x is equal to x square. Here f from real number to the real number, f of x is equal to x square. First one is injective function. So injective function means f of x is equal to x square is there here. Put x is equal to 1. F of 1 is equal to 1 square is equal to 1. Put x is equal to minus 1. F of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. F of 1 is equal to f of minus 1. But 1 is not equal to minus 1. This shows that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. But x1 is not equal to x2. Therefore, f is not injective function. F is not injective function. Second one, surjective function. Let y belongs to real number. Then there exists at least one preimage such that f of x is equal to y. Here f of x is equal to y means f of x is given as x square is equal to y. X is equal to plus or minus root y. X is equal to plus or minus root of minus 1 is plus or minus I is not belongs to real number. Therefore, f is not surjective. Therefore, f is neither injective nor surjective.